I have 3 questions for you. So the first one, what can you say about Chechnya? Do you consider Chechnya as an independent occupied country or a region of Russia? The second one is, how do you imagine the future of Chechnya? And the last one, what do you plan to do to reinforce sanctions against Russia? Thank you.
Political response, not a legal response. Thank you.
I don't know what organization represents here. Just
The Chechen National Liberation Movement United Force.
Yeah, first, of course, my answer is very clear. I consider that Chechnya is part of Russia. That's the answer for your first question. And the second question, the answer is, if Chechen people in a free, I would say, plebiscite, in a free election decide to be independent, that's their right. But it should be not in a, I would say, atmosphere what exists right now in Chechnya. That's absolutely unacceptable. But in the future, when Russia would again build up a democratic state for themselves, Russians will make this choice. And in this case, of course, just all national groups, national republics would make their choice whether they stay inside Russia or not. I believe that, I think, again, if it is free discussion in Chechnya and in Russia, I don't think that Chechen people would be willing to leave Russia. I may be mistaken, you know, better, but it is I'm talking about democratic Russia. But such a discussion would appear before democratic Russia re-established.
Thank you. Now,